What does a low whip say about a baseball pitcher? Imagine a pitcher who keeps runners off the bases almost effortlessly. What does that tell us about their skill and style? Well, a low walks plus hits per inning pitched, or whip, reveals a lot about how effective they are at controlling the game. Whip is calculated by adding the total number of walks and hits allowed, and then dividing that by the innings pitched. So, if a pitcher has a whip of 1.00, it means they allow on average 1 base runner per inning. A lower number indicates fewer base runners, which is usually a sign of strong control and command over their pitches. When a pitcher maintains a whip below 1.05, it often means they are very good at preventing opponents from reaching base. This limits scoring chances and keeps the game under control. In fact, elite pitchers like Clayton Kershaw and Pedro Martinez have career whips near or below 1.05, showing their dominance in limiting base runners. Compared to other stats like earned run average, which measures how many runs a pitcher gives up, whip focuses solely on how often opponents reach base. This makes it a clear indicator of a pitcher's ability to keep the game manageable. A low whip suggests they are consistent and reliable, often leading to more wins and better overall performance. A pitcher with a low whip is often seen as someone who can control the pace of the game. They minimize the chances of giving up hits or walks, which reduces the likelihood of runs scored against them. Coaches and analysts use this metric to evaluate how well a pitcher can handle pressure and maintain control over the game. In the history of baseball, pitchers with very low whips are usually among the best in the league. For example, the lowest single-season whip in Major League Baseball history is around 0.73, which is extremely rare. It shows just how dominant some pitchers can be at preventing opponents from reaching base. So, when you see a pitcher with a low whip, it tells you they are skilled at controlling the game and limiting opportunities for the opposing team. They are often more successful because they keep the bases empty, making it harder for the other team to score. This advanced pitching metric helps us understand a pitcher's overall effectiveness beyond just wins or earned runs. It highlights their ability to keep the game in their hands by preventing base runners and controlling the flow of the game.